This is the new Cadet that was released earlier this year, 2012. They came in 5 different colors with the new leather sheath. Let me get it open here. They came in several standard colors as well as a new orange. This one is red, obviously. The sheath is very nice leather, exceptional quality, fits perfectly. The Victorinox Cadet knife itself is an Alox 84mm Swiss Army knife. This one is in red. It has the Victorinox shields on the front, an engraving panel on the back, one main blade, a fingernail file with nail cleaner tip, and then of course your standard openers. There's the cap lifter, screwdriver, and then the Victorinox can opener with a flat screwdriver tip. Excellent for turning Phillips head screws. One of the better can opener designs. The other colors, I did not get all of them, but I did pick up the orange and the blue in separate packages. This is the orange, and here's the blue. Both exactly the same knife. All of these are the new style Cadets with no keyring. There are no keyring attachments at the ends where the old style Cadets did have them. Thanks for watching.